Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday, Meditation Monday. Now, we are doing a lot of integrating at the moment, more so than we've ever done on this pathway. We've been required to hold, anchor, align and integrate so much over the last 11 years since the cosmic moment, but nothing compares to what we are working with at this present moment in time. The light is, as you may have heard, unprecedented. Okay, so when we receive these higher integrations, if you watched my Friday video, I explain a lot about what happens within the body, the physical process, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual fields running to keep up with a pace being set by a cosmic marathon runner. That's the comparison. So this morning I want to introduce a gentle balancing technique that was originally presented by Dr. Joshua David Stone, and it's to assist with the integration, the balancing of these incredible cosmic energies. So just feel into it wherever you are in the world this morning, whatever you're doing, whether you're listening to this in the evening, later on in the day, maybe a bit later in the week when you stumble across the video. Just allow yourself a few moments to tune in, breathe and relax. And the most important thing that I'm finding for myself at the moment is to be present. Acknowledge your physical self, sat here on planet Earth, and just check in. You might want to feel your body, remind yourself that you are actually physical. You might have bits and pieces of you in all corners of space and time, a bit in the astral, a bit in the Sirius universities. You could have gone on back to Andromeda in the night. Just bring yourself here to the here and now. Place your hand upon your heart and take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose. Hold. Out through your mouth. In through your nose. Hold. And then just gently release the breath, and as you are doing this, your heart center is becoming highly active and beginning to expand. And you will now be sat in an expanding bubble of heart light, which is a combination of beautiful pink and white and gold, maybe some aquamarine from the higher heart if you're beginning to work with that higher heart level. So just sit within the center of your heart bubble for a few moments. And the technique that we are using this morning is called the Axiatonal Alignment. And this is to bring forth a stabilization of your bodies and fields in alignment with the source light, with the photonic radiation that's coming in, with the fluctuations of the Schumann resonance, everything that's going on, and you are within the center of it all. Stabilize. So you only have to ask for this. So with your eyes closed, tuning into your heart center, speak these words out loud. I, your name, call forth to my monad for an axiatonal alignment and a cosmic integration and a cosmic alignment. And with your eyes closed, sense, see or perceive a column of very bright but stabilizing golden light coming down from your solar junction chakra, guided by your monad, and this is passing straight down your antakrana bridge through you. As it touches you, it lights up and it expands and holds your body stable. You might feel a rearrangement within the cells of your body, almost a restructuring, as everything kind of moves into lines that can absorb and receive. Just breathe and relax as this occurs. And then feel the stabilization horizontally also. It's almost like a cross of stabilizing energy, vertically and horizontally through you, holding you stable. And calling it in a second time. I, your name, call to my monad for an axiatonal alignment and a cosmic integration and a cosmic alignment. And feel all the aspects of your body, the mental body, the emotional body, your spiritual field aligning, stabilizing, grounding. You might even also have your guardian angel with you, encouraging you, placing their hands upon your shoulders, just allowing you to stabilize, allowing the molecules of light within your body to begin to just form into what almost looks like a solid structure, sort of moving so fast that we can barely keep up with them. Just feel everything stabilizing. Breathe and relax. I, your name, call to my monad for an axiatonal alignment and a cosmic integration and a cosmic alignment. And the horizontal and the vertical lines of light are now forming into one big mass to fill also the heart bubble around you, the space. And you are within the centre of this space, held stable, firm, grounded. Your monad, your oversoul, the other 143 members of your soul group have got you. Okay, you are not going anywhere. You are not out of balance. You are not out of alignment. You are stabilized. Cosmic alignment. Just allow yourself to feel that. Now imagine yourself sat receiving so many energies from the cosmos. Imagine them coming down upon you like rain, golden light, silver light, pink light from the cosmic heart, diamond light, all aspects of the violet fire just moving through, in and around your fields, but you are stable. You are there, you are ready to receive, your chakras are open, your fields are receptive and responsive, you're not being knocked about, you're not moving too slowly, you're not moving too fast. Everything is in balance and alignment. Know this. Take another deep breath into your heart center. And breathe out. Now you can do this as often as you need to. I would recommend doing it once a day, particularly while the energies are very intense, while they are fluctuating like they are. Whenever you feel not unbalanced, out of kilter, discombobulated, that's a term that I've heard this morning. Thank you, Melissa, I love it. Discombobulation, just call in this term. Axiatonal alignment and cosmic integration and cosmic alignment from your monad, and just allow them to hold you stable. So you are the eye of the storm. Whatever is going on around you, whatever you are receiving, whatever you are perceiving, whatever's happening to other people, whether they are unraveling, dropping density, going through their own changes, you are anchoring the light, not just for yourself, but for everyone around you. And on that, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'll see you on Friday for an Ascension update. And of course, things are now beginning to warm up nicely on the approach to the December 12/12, and then of course we have got the December solstice following close behind, panting at its heels. Sending you all so much love. See you soon. Bye for now.